Okay.
Is it okay now? The voice is coming.
The voice is, your sound is okay. We talk about the slides.
Okay, no, okay, let me explain to you. Up to now, we didn't start yet. I'm going to start by open the full screen, and I'm going to show you how you have to use the keywords inside. Okay?
Okay, doctor, you can begin.
Okay. It's okay.
Yeah, okay. You can share the slide, or you can share the screen now.
Okay, I'm going to share the screen, yeah, of course. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. Here, the full screen for me. This is the screen for me. So, number one, when I want to do bibliometric analysis, actually, what I need to have database. How many database we have? We have two types of the database. One is the Scopus and one is the... Sorry?
No, just
continue. Okay.
So far, there is no slides, doctor. Please.
Yeah. A minute.
Please share the whole screen.
Yes, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, share screen. Okay, this one. Can you see the screen now?
Yeah, now.
Okay, so what I said, if you want to do bibliometric analysis, you must have database. Okay, we have two types of the database, Scopus and Web of Science. Okay, so now we are going to enter to the Scopus. I don't know if everyone can access to Scopus or not, but I'm going to access to my Scopus. I'm going to use the UTHM and open the Scopus.
Doctor.
Excuse me, doctor.
There is no sound.
There is no...
I'm sorry for that. Actually, internet is very slow, so they make connect and disconnect. So now,
okay, can you repeat, please?
The problem with the internet today. Okay, can you see my full screen or no?
Yeah.
Okay, so number one, to do bibliometric analysis, number one, you have to use very related keywords to your research. I'm now open the Scopus page. In the Scopus page, you have to go to the search and try to write what do you want to write. For example, if I'm going to write my title is like that, removal. For example, if my title is here, removal. Okay, this is my title. Removal of basic brown from aqueous solution by using the durian shell adsorbent. This is the full title for my paper. How I'm going to use the real keyword to the Scopus. I have to divide this title to several keywords. So I'm going to use like one removal. Is it okay now?
No slide.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to use the removal. Inside the removal, I have to put inside the what? The citation here. I have to put the word of removal. So I add this one here, like what? Removal. I'm not going to use off or in. I'm going to delete it. Delete. Removal is the main keyword for me. I'm going to remove some things. But this word also I can use another word equivalent to this word. For example, removal or what? Or absorption. So I'm going to write or in capital and I'm going to open again here like this the side. Then I will write what? Absorption and close. So look for me. The scopus now, they are going to look for removal or absorption. And then what? I have to write and capital. And capital. And then I'm going to use again, for example, basic brown. Or let's say, for example, I'm going to write heavy metals. Okay, many of people, they work on heavy metals. So heavy metals. So Scopus now, they will look for me. They will look for the keyword of removal or keyword of absorption and is compulsory and heavy metals from, I'm not going to use this from, I'm going to use aqueous solution or for example, wastewater. Okay, so aqueous solution here. Okay, or in capital.
Cannot see slides.
Sorry?
Slides cannot see.
You can see
No slides in the.
no.
Yeah, there is no slides. Just
No
share
slide,
the
just full
screen.
screen. This is direct
Okay. Only
step
you.
by step. It's not about the slides.
Okay. Thanks. Okay.
Yeah. So please look for me at here at the full screen and you will see. So I now
Okay, thank
show you how you have to change your title to keywords. Usually we said all the research, the keyword in the title is supposed to be same keyword to the objective and problem statement. So now I show you how you have to change the title to what? To keyword. So I use this word removal or absorption. Both they have same meaning and is compulsory for heavy metals. Somewhere here I have to use and. So removal or absorption, heavy metals and aqueous solution. Okay, by using I'm going aqueous solution or what? Or waste water. Please log again for this one. This is the very critical step. If you write the keyword right, definitely you will get very good database. If your keyword is wrong, you will get something else. What is the main idea here? This is the keyword that you have to insert when you come to say, this is my novelty. Maybe the reviewer or the panel, they will ask you which keyword you have used in your paper or in your thesis. If you give them the keyword, when they will go to Scopus and search, they must get same result like you. This is what we mean evidence. Something is very confirmed that this is same. So I have removal, absorption, heavy metals, aqueous solution or heavy metals. Okay, come now to make what? Come to make search. Come to make search. And then look how much we will get. Okay, look here. I have found 16,886 documents. Okay, 16,668 documents. Can you see this number, right? Can you see or no?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay, so this
It's clear.
sorry. This one is very huge amounts of the documents. It's very difficult to deal with what with 16,000. What I'm going to do? Number one, I have to choose within 5 years, only 5 years. So 2021, for example, here, 2020, 19, 18, 17. So within 5 years, within what? 5 years. Okay, and then I will go down and choose which type of documents.
Doctor,
Oh, sorry. Yes.
can you please just now you Stop.
Stop, okay?
Can you please repeat?
Come back again.
Yeah.
Yeah. Actually,
Type of the
our workshop at night is much more better at now because the internet now is very slow. So when I said you have to insert the keyword, I insert the keyword here is the removal. I insert the absorption. I have insert the heavy metals, aqueous solution, or wastewater. Okay. So according to this keyword, Scopus as a source for database, they give me 16,000 documents. This document is so much to deal with. It's very difficult to deal with 16,000. What I'm going to do? I'm going to minimize the numbers of documents. Like what? I have to choose only the recent publication within the last 5 years. So I have to click here, 2021, 2020. Here. Come back again. Yes,
Yes,
I know the internet. I know. Have you seen the slide again? The screen again?
Go ahead.
Okay.
Also, Doctor, you can follow from very clear.
I can what?
Yeah, from Facebook, I mean the participants can follow. You have the Facebook, okay, very nice.
Have you watched from the Facebook? Okay. So is it okay now, Dr. Muhammad? Dr. Muhammad, Mr. Muhammad, is it okay? Dr.
Yeah.
It's okay.
I
I have to minimize.
my internet is
I have to minimize. Okay, I'm going to minimize the full total of the number of documents, 16,000. I have to choose 5 years. I go again and I choose only articles. No conference, no review, no book chapter, no conference review. Because many of the journals, when they ask to publish in high impact factor, they only looking for something related to the articles. No more book chapter as a reference. Okay, so if you come to do this one, you have to make limit 2. Limit 2. So, okay, let's come to make the limit 2. So, how much I have now? 5,000, right? Okay. You can see. Okay. Okay. Please
Yes.
be with me online because I'm not sure when the internet for me is low. So I have 5,000. I have now 5,000. What I'm going to do, you want to make export. You have to export the data. Which data you have to export? You have to go through some of the articles that you are looking for. For example, view the abstract. The abstract will show you what we have. They will highlight with you like yellow color or something. So this paper have wastewater and have heavy metals. If you go to second paper, they will talk on the wastewater absorption. So you can see that's your keywords is here. So I have to choose. I have to choose, for example, number 2. And then number 3, I will choose from the abstract. So I can find my keyword. So I will make okay. And I have to go to the next. The next, I have to go to the abstract. So you have to go one by one. I know here is 5,000. It just here is examples. But if you want to specify more, you have to make search within this result. For example, I will write only for zinc. Zinc. So within this search, I can minimize the number of documents here. So let's come to see here how many. So I go from 5,000 again until what? 2,000. So come now to make what? Come to make export. So you have to click all. It depends on your work. You have to read the articles and click. Come to the export. Come to the export. In the export, you have to choose what? CSV, like Excel. You have to choose what? CSV. I'm going to use the bibliographical information, abstract, funding, other information, all. You have to choose all. And then come to make what? Export. Okay. They will mention to you in the Scopus, you can just only download every time 2000. Every time you can just only download 2000. So, okay, I will say, okay, 2000. I will export only 2000. Then I will make export. Okay. Here, the file, we download the file here to, for example, let's keep is here in the desktop. Okay, Scopus. So I hope now is clear for you. Number one, you have to choose your right keyword. You have to enter your keywords by the right way. Be careful about the and or, because this is the idea. This is the element for the search by Scopus. After you will choose all your papers, you will download like what? Like database. So come to see our database now. If you see the full screen for me.
Dr. Adel, because we can only see you.
Yes, what? It's okay.
We only see.
The screen is
No, the
visible.
screen is fine. Maybe you just pin the screen.
You can see my screen now.
Okay.
You can see, right? Okay. So this is the file for Excel. This is the file for Excel. You can see here. This is all the data in the Excel. This is all the data you can see here in the Excel. Where is the file? Come to download.
Excel.
Yes, we can.
Yes, 1 minute. I have to use any Excel file. Just let me take any Excel file. So just to show you. So your file after download, you will open the file, you will see something like that. So all the data you have found, it will get the Excel file. What?
File.
Is it okay? Can you see the Excel file?
No, no.
No?
No,
Okay.
we cannot.
Okay.
Still Scopus.
Until Scopus.
Desktop.
Yes.
Okay.
Now?
Scopus.
Now until Scopus. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Open desktop.
Now, okay.
Now the
What?
Yeah, we now.
Now, okay.
yeah.
Okay. So you can see now all the database is become here in Excel file. All the database we are download. Okay. So if you come to see, our title is here. This is our title. Okay, here. If you come to see, this is the address. All the information is will be here. Author's name, the source, the publisher, all the information will be here. So if you keep this Excel file like that, we are going to use it. Okay. Now come again to our program. This is our program. Our program name is BIOS Viewer. This is software program. You have to download from the Google. Okay. Let's come to see here. 1 minute, I will share with you. Still open. Okay, I'm going to share with you now. This is the program. This is our program. Okay, in the program, after you download the program, Mr. Muhammad Nasser, he will show you how you have to download. Okay, so I'm going to make like crate. Okay, is a crate here. What type of the crate I have to do here? Okay, can you see the second
Yes, yes.
second screen? You can see it.
Screen.
Okay, every time this is a program because it need meaning. Screen 1 share. You can see it now. You can see or no? Choose the type of data. You can see this one, Dr. Mahanna.
Yeah.
Okay, so I will come to create map based on the bibliographical. Next, which data I'm going to use? I have to read here. They will ask me to Web of Science or Scopus. My file is Scopus. Mr. Muhammad, he will show you how you have to use the Web of Science.
Data. Doctor, the data is the screen is stopped. Yeah, could you please repeat?
Okay.
So now you can see.
Could you please just repeat from beginning?
Okay. Did you process or what?
Yeah, this is the file. I open for you the program. Have you saw the program or no?
Yes, now it's.
Okay, now I'm the window now is discuss on the choose data source. Is it okay or no?
Yes.
So when I go to the next, select files. Can you select files? Can you see the file now or no?
Yes, we can.
Okay, so we have two types. I say we have two types of the database. One is Web of Science, one of Scopus. For us, this time we have used the Scopus. You can also get the database from PubMed. You can get from the dimensions here. We have 2 or 4 types of the main database. We are going to use what? Scopus. Okay, I'm going to upload now the Scopus. Okay, I will upload the Scopus now. I make okay, choose file. This file I will go to from where I save this file. Okay, come to see here. We have used inside the file D. Upload again. No. Okay. Go to the D. I'm going to use my own data. Okay. Then I upload now the data for me is become here. Go for next. This cell open. Yeah, Dr. Mahana informed me the window is very small. Yeah, this is the program is like that. So I open for you the program itself. Cannot make full screen. Okay, now the file is uploading. The internet is very slow. That's the main problem. It's okay, just wait, huh? Okay, now we are in the analyze. Which type you want to make analyze? Bibliometric, they can make for you analyze according to the country, according to the authors, according to the journals, according to the citation. So you have to choose which one do you want. So for example, now I will come to choose according to the occurrence. Okay, occurrence here, according to the full content. Okay, here according to the countries. I'm going to use according to the country. Can you see this my or no? Mr. Muhammad? Dr. Naif, is it okay?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Then,
Your screen is
yeah, I have
my
used this one. I have used bibliographic co-blend here according to the country. I will not change anything here. I will come to make next. How many minimum number of the documents for each country? How many do you want? 5, 6, 7? For example, let's just choose only one. For example, it's 1. So you can see that of 84 countries, you will meet or you will make analyze for 84 documents. So the minimum number of citations will be, even the citation is 0, is okay for us. I have to come to make next. So the number of the countries will be 85, 84. Come to make next. You can see this table. This table show you how many documents you have for each country. US 318, China 233, United Kingdom 103. Is it okay? So come to make finish. So after finish, just wait. Okay, now, okay, 1 minute. You found this, okay, this photo is become like that. So if you come to see here, the bibliometric analysis is become United States is the first country. Can you see this figure or not? I have to confirm for each.
Yes, we can.
Okay, for the United States is this countries, how many? In China, this is the number of papers. This small and lines is the indicate for the relation or the collaboration that's available between the countries. So if you come to see here, this is the full bibliometric according to what? According to the country. So now I just show you only one step inside the program, how you have to use the bibliometric to get the analyze. For example, if I'm here in one of country like Yemen, for example, I'm from Yemen. So I can give evidence that according to my keyword that I have inserted, there is no paper have been done in Yemen. What is the evidence? What is your evidence? Evidence is that Yemen is not here. The name of country is not here. So that's mean, yes, there is no work have been done here on the this topic, for example, in Yemen. So this is step number 1. Step number 2, actually I have the main keyword that I have insert to my paper, but sometimes I'm still new for this area. I don't know, maybe there is some of other keyword. Mr. Muhammad Sahari, he is my PhD student. He is going to show you more. Let's just give you another one figure here, it will show you more. If I want to make analyze, for example, I want to publish my paper. Up to now, I'm writing my paper. I don't know which journal I have to choose. So you have to come to make create again. We are not going to change anything in this one. So I'm going to next, again next. Scope as the file already I have uploaded direct. So come to the next. What I have to use? I have to use according to what I can, for example, for citation, for co-occurrence, for bibliometric here, according to the organization. If I want to know according to which university in the world they are working on, so I will go to the source. Okay, in the source, I'm going to use for next. So this is the minimum number of the papers for each journal. If we said it's just 5, you will find the most common 47 journal talking on this topic. If you go to less, you can also go to 749. So come to next. Okay, next you will see this table. So this table show you how many journals. This is the journal of control release. They have 39. If you want to rearrange according to the document or according to the citation or according to the total length strength, more details, Mr. Muhammad, he will show you. Okay, then have to make finish. After make finish, you have to change this figure. One more figure will appear for you. Just wait. So if I come to see here, okay, here you can see how many journals they discuss on my area. So you can see, for example, the best journal up to now is Journal of Control Release, Claudial Hair and Surface, maybe Biochemical and Biophysical. So many of journals you can find is here. So according to that, you will know from where you have to get your data. So you can just choose the best 10 journal according to the analysis. For example, maybe Mr. Muhammad, he will show you. So now I show you 2 things. The rest, Mr. Muhammad, he will continue with you because he will also show you how you can analyze the data from Web of Science. This is for me. That's for today. I didn't go to the details. I think my idea only for you. You have to know the basic elements, how you have to use this software program. But the point is not here. The analysis of data is not that very difficult by using the software. The critical point will be how you have to read those data and when you have to use those data. Okay, usually I mention to my students and all the researchers, when we have to use this data, if you are going to work on like systematic review or bibliometric analysis, you can see we have some of papers. Mr. Muhammad, he is the first one in my students team. He worked on this software and we have published several papers on in very good journals according to the bibliometric analysis. Mr. Muhammad, are you around or you already left?
Yeah.
So, okay, I will make you like host now. Yes, I'm going to stop my sharing for my screen and then the mic will change to you, okay?
I have question.
Yeah, before I go to Mr. Muhammad, do you want to have any question now for this program up to now?
Doctor?
Yes.
Yeah, please, my try downloading a particular page. Do you
Okay.
Can
Can you please write your question because the internet with me is very low. This I will change the internet to Mr. Muhammad. I will read the chat box and answer at the end of this sharing session. Okay.
Okay.
Sit down. Okay. Stop sharing. Mr. Muhammad, you have the mic now. You are co-host, right?
Yes.
So you can share your slide and start. Sorry for internet. My internet now is very not unstable now. I don't know what's the problem. Okay, go.
Reality. I have to share.
Yeah, yeah. Try to share. Yeah.
Voice viewer, you just can but it's free. Go to voice website. Find version that the version with or so you can simply press with your left and load. Say we will download it. Okay. Okay. After you download, John, right? After you download, simply press for this file. So here you can also find manual for the software for more information. I think it's clear with this. So for now, for those people, Web of Science or data from Web of Science. So this type of some of you may be in advance, all is same. I think as look how to choose these keywords. I want to get a specific data. And I fit when you your data your keyword, you will be specific or documents. Hello, everything clear?
Continue, continue.
Kadang-kadang aja seorang.
Okay.
Bismillah.
Could everyone close the mic, please? Okay. We just so we got the result that we got. It is around 200. So for Web of Science, only 100. So less than. So I will just uh, to have to record everything. Use tab Windows for if you use Mac, you can use Mac. Download the file and inform. So as mentioned, you just where press create. then here Dr. Adel choose he has Ubas database. My data is use people, so and choose just download. Sorry, yeah, this one is it. Okay, bibliometric or bibliometric. We have we can choose the analysis for which is let's say we choose the connect analyze could you my okay, we just press next. I already explained everything here, so read the map. So here to know size of each and the color, then this color of the link. So each of the size of the circle means weight of the we compare between documents. For documents, when if the circle is big, large circle or many application. For example, more than Germany. So circle is meaning the weight of the item. So let's say we just want to know the citation, which one is best in the citation. Also, US here is better than China and Germany in term of citation. For example, similar goes to every item here or every thing you want to know about it. So, what is the colors? The color with journal, I will explain it last thing. So for this this line is shown the link. So for the countries side the workability between countries and everything happen in new keywords you use in the for the for your keywords. What is the country that connected to together to make some like cooperation or something like this. So for example, we want to know what is the most 100 country linked or have some link together. So we just go to max line. We write here 100. So this the link country or the first 100 country in cooperation in but for this data if we press only one for example, so we can see here there is the first strong country in is between this is for the country.
Boys, that's our problem.
I will continue. So for the color, uh, check about uh, oh, same step, Dr. Here we have one but things use. So we can choose here software and all the journals who which article. Here you can specify you want to which you choose to is up to you. All the journals. I will so is the meaning of the specific keyword is really what is the item belongs to. For example, let's say technology, environment technology, generate and like generate uh, water and in same times. For this public research, colors or colors, for example, belong to some example uh, and the yellow to what wastewater treatment like that. So the journal so all these journals belongs to the green one and other color. Prefer this prefer to judge from color accurate. Another manual I suggest I told you in the idea that your journal you can go here and your journal after you just data so, yeah, then click and export so after you export selected source I will exported it here so you will get this form. So the journal document and each journal published. What can I do? Uh, Small, you can manage this. So to for journals like how keyword is and antibiotics. So was drugs, infection, and vaccine. Uh, one by one, I will check or the name. I will check the see what is the journal. For example, vaccine here. Speak about this journal. I, hello, are you hearing me?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, Doctor. Yes. Okay. In the several that but let's say we go through all these articles, we define or we find that this article uh, hundred of them is speaking about disease and only for example 50 of drugs. The example is not a Vex to from all this journal you find only 2 articles speaking about vaccine, and your work was about vaccine. So means that there is a lack of study in your work. So means your work is have some novelty and will get a contribution to the society. You can use this as an evidence for your panel or for your publication. So this is the knowledge. I mean for journals. If you want to know, for example, let's say that you are work with some with some another country, foreigner country, and you want to improve to them that there is like cooperation in same title between you and between your country and you can use this bibliometric for countries, and you can choose what's called the you can choose the bibliometric of the country link, and everything will be with evidence. I mean, one more thing, if you want to increase, let's say, if you want to increase your knowledge or you want to recognize more about those, uh, about other options or other type of analysis, you can simply, suggest you to find similar analysis or type in Google Scholar uh, any web or web. So you analyze that what you want to you analysis about the bibliography more knowledge. I think all. I think if you want to know more about, for example, now we choose a specific keyword, COVID-19 antibiotic. Is the most or used articles option, then I just keywords next similar like previous for other so I have have in this under this database. Next you can here have been used 5 times, like 15 days is that is section. Now if please feel free to ask.
يا دكتور محمد
Please.
between like journal.
Okay, for I forgot actually. Let's say we want to between two specific journals or Web of Science or Scubas. Can you see the? Let me share. So screen right. Can you see
Yes.
that? Okay. Through the Web of Science website or Scubas, we have something like we call it analysis or things. I'm not using Scubas very much, so I'm not familiar with it. So I will show you how is it in Web of Science. Sorry. So we first we begin from the database. If we want to specify the link between only 2 countries or 3 countries, for example, we will go through the database. Okay, we choose our database according to the countries here. So here we have 229 documents. Let's say we want to know the link between US, China, and England, for example. Then we just use the selection, selected. So we will get, this is the result we get. So all this research have been performed under US, China, and England. So we do same step, which is we download this data and export it. After that, you can do same step as previous, as I just showed show you here. Then you create, go here, and of course you will find some another country, because some of this research have some contribution with other countries, but that is will not be very much and very effective. I'm gonna show you. Okay, so next, bibliometric countries. Next, okay, see, you got more than 31 countries for the same data. So US in the first district. Okay.
Chinese, akwai India, akwai Malaysia.
Okay. For now, you want to know how is the link, or what is the link, or who cited from who, or who is the source of the search. So all this you can know it from the total link strength. US is number one, which means most of the research happened in US, England, and China. It's depend strongly on US in the first place, then on China and China research in the second place, and then in England research or publication in the third place. What's the meaning of that? That means most of the research happen in China. It have some connection or have some link with the research happen in US. For example, they have some document published in US, or they cited or they cooperate with some organization in US, similar like this. So the most strong effect research is US research. So now when you finish, everything, if you want to know specifically where is the most cooperated countries, you can play with the lines. The line is represent the link. So when we want to the most cooperated countries, we only is usually which is the most or the strongest here one, that most cooperated country. Get if you put two, you will get China, sorry, US, China, and England. See, so now you have the connected or the link between China and US and England is the most strongest link, and they have the most strongest cooperation between each other. Okay, I hope that I answer your question very clear.
Other question, Dr. Muhammad.
Yeah.
What is the difference between network visualization, overlay visualization, density?
Where is that?
The network visualization, overlay visualization, density in them. You see up
Here.
Yes, you have three visualization.
Okay.
Overlay, density.
This This my
No, no. Choice. You can check. There is overlay.
Yeah, Dr. Muhanna, that's one. It's just only different types of the presentation. That's all. Maybe network or overlay, load or overlay. So they can give you just different presentation, different shapes or different something like that. So it will not affect on the analysis.
observation here with the ship.
Is actually Muhammad and Dr. Muhanna, both all of this one just only give you different forms of the presentation. That's all. It will not affect on the analysis. Yeah, it's like here we have different diagram or something. We can get it.
Mr. Muhammad, thank you.
Okay. Let's see, Mr. Muhammad, thank you for your presentation now. I have to mention for all, actually, we cannot give everything in only one workshop. This program take around more than 1 or 2 months to understand full things. So we cannot give everything just only in one sharing session. The most critical one here is how to read the data. But our idea, just to show you, as I mentioned, there is so many of the software programs they can give you can use to give the interaction between the researchers, between the countries. One of them is like Gheethi program, another one is different types I saw on the internet. Just here we would like to help you how you have to insert the word in right way, how you have to analyze your data and things to know. They help you if you want to find. Mr. Muhammad, can you please show them again more how to get the full keyword? For example, if we go to here.
Okay.
I guess the last one, because the time already gone, already now 1 hour. So I guess
okay.
how they can find only the keyword only, the full keyword.
Is this
Okay.
for getting the you just go previous you will choose the key
Same file.
words with same file.
Next.
After that, you will get that you have 488 keywords have been used in the previous research.
Okay.
Then you can choose this is for the new file, which is the last file we downloaded. So you can choose them all and press next until you get this table. This table will show you this is the keywords, and this here this is how many times it used before previous.
So this one is will help you. For example, as I mentioned to you at the beginning of our sharing session, sometimes we have more than one keyword for only one key. For example, if we say removal or absorption or decolorization or elimination, or so you have you will find all the keyword or that they use. So this one also one of the evidence that you can give for the reviewer or for the panel. Okay, so as you can see here, for example, usually coronavirus related to respiratory syndromes here, or pneumonia, or receptors, or inhibitors. So this is the keywords that's related to this work. When we come to talk on the coronavirus, we have to talk on the expression, we have to talk on some of the respiratory system, pathogenesis, and pneumonia. Means there is some of confusing. So this is all keyword that they use with the term of coronavirus. So it will open for you more idea to what you have to find more. So you can start your search or your paper or your thesis by only 10 or 5 keywords, but after make the analysis, you will get full list of the keyword. So it will be easy for you to understand the full things. Because they asked me here, there is so many questions here in the chat. I have to mention to you again, this software is depend on the database. Cannot just only copy your reference from any thesis and insert to the Excel and you think that you will get same analysis. Cannot do like that. You have to find database. This software to analyze database, not only that's one by one. So 4 sources of database: Scopus, Web of Science, PubMed, and that's I forget what the 4th one. This software analyze that's one. If you want to make analyze by yourself, depend on your reference, you have to go to the Gheethi program, another software program. But this one only depend on what? On the database. Okay, people ask for if we can record or something. So yeah, this is program or this is sharing session is already live on Facebook, and I sent you the link. Anytime you can go to find it. What else for the question?
There is one question, Doctor said.
Yes, yes. Dr. Hanna, can you read for us the question?
He said, how I know the novelty of the research bibliometric.
Okay. Well, now, when we make this presentation, we show you some of examples that they give you result. For example, if you use your keyword and you said removal of heavy metals by using, for example, one of the plants, for example, durian or apples, and no more study have been conducted before, you will get that the Scopus will mention to you, no record, no paper have been published on that. This is one of your analysis. But bibliometric analysis, they show you, for example, I want to mention for the panel that no more work have been done here in Malaysia on one topic. So I will make all the network for different country, and I will show them the analysis that there is no work have been done here in Malaysia according to the photo that you can see. Since the country is not in, so there is no more work on that. Dr. Manna, I think last time we do something like that for your project, right? And you found only maybe 3 or 4 studies. That's what we mean by evidence. The evidence means the keyword that you have used, you have to highlight inside your problem or thesis or for the paper. So when the reviewer or panel come to check after you again, they must find same result like you. Again, for the journals, I show you how we have to download the Excel. This Excel file should be upload like supplementary materials, like appendix. So the reviewer, they can go to the appendix and see the list of paper that you analyze. This like database. Is it okay?
Dr. Adel, Assalamu alaikum.
Yeah, Assalamu alaikum.
What's the difference between this web science and EndNote? Because the same function, right?
Okay. Web of Science is database for publication. EndNote is just program to make arrange for your reference, mainly or EndNote or something else. That one is quite different. EndNote cannot make analysis or bibliometric analysis for your data. That's one only for reference. Web of Science is
okay. Thanks.
Web of Science and Scopus is source or database for all the publication. Is something quite different.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
We now, inshallah, we will get a short train for us. We have to know how to use this website, inshallah. Thank you very
Inshallah.
much.
Actually, I have to highlight for people from Middle East country or from Africa, maybe they cannot access to Scopus because for us, we can access to Scopus because UTHM itself, they subscribe for the Scopus. Web of Science, same thing. Some of university, they are subscribed and some of them no. So it's not easy to go to Web of Science or Scopus unless your university have subscribed to the website. So if you cannot access to the website of Science or Scopus, you cannot find the Excel file. And since you cannot find the Excel file, the database, you cannot use the bibliometric analysis. That's what we mean, yeah. You have database.
Okay.
Yes?
Yeah. To note, if you have preference, you can select in Scoba. You use or manually. Then she can give. You can use from, but it is different.
Yes, inshallah, yes.
Okay, one he asked how we can export the figure. Let me show you. Maybe I can share again here. Okay. What is the software? This is the software. So can you see the full screen now? Okay. So you have to come and make screenshot. You have to make screenshot and make save. And then you can find the figure. Export the figure. Okay. Who else need for a question? How we can prove? Okay, we already answered for that. This feedback to fill up for registration of and certificate for this today sharing session. Since you already entered to Zoom, you received the email. Definitely, you will receive the certificate. No worry. This time, no more link or no more link for registration.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Any more question? Okay.
Hello, doctor.
Yes. Yes.
So, doctor, I suggest that the video, the recording of this lecture should be uploaded to either YouTube or
Yeah, already now is live on Facebook. So we send
okay.
the link. Yeah, I will send you the link again. Anytime you can go to find this video.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
So I will share now. Just 1 minute. So I hope that you get new idea how you have to analyze your data, how you have to write your chapter 2 for the.
Sorry, Dr. Adel.
Yes, Dr. Wahid.
What is better to use, Scopus or Web of Science to for bibliometric Excel file?
Yeah, as I mentioned here, when I come to make this sharing session, I go to the Scopus because the HM didn't subscribe for Web of Science. Mr. Muhammad Sahari has the password for Web of Science, subscribe from other university. So he go to Web of Science. So it's depend. As I mentioned, we have how many? I think we have Scopus, Web of Science, PubMed, and there is one more. I forget what.
Dimensional. Dimensional.
Yeah, dimensional. Yes, this is dimensionals. Yes, agree. So that's so for database.
Excuse me.
Yes, welcome.
For the medical one, you could use PubMed.
For medical, you have to use PubMed. Yes, right.
Yeah, I have a question, please.
Yes, yes, come.
Yeah, can we get the data from Web of Science and the Scopus and export them, then import them as a combination to the voice?
Okay. For me, I couldn't find any point to merge between Scopus and Web of Science. Okay, Web of Science, they will have a little bit for the Scopus as the total number of journals. Science is just only 12,000, but in Scopus is more than 50,000. So if you can access the Web of Science, it will be much more better for you because most of the journals, they are looking for the reference. Send the reference, all the reference coming from Web of Science, that will be great. But if you can access to Web of Science, you can use Scopus. You went actually to merge between both of them.
Okay, thank you so much.
Welcome. Any more question? What's that? Okay, Mr. Muhammad Nasser, do you have any comments you want to add?
Thank you. I just want to suggest them to find the previous research about bibliometric so they can get more idea.
I already shared with them our website. Research yet to find our paper. You can find our paper on bibliometric and see how we analyze the data.
Yeah, that's good. I think that's all for me. Thank you so much.
Naif, our organizer. Yeah, Mr. Riyadh. Yes.
Yes, with you.
I have one question actually.
Yeah, come.
Can you explain more about the novelty between the keywords and the figures? Like you mentioned about the countries. When we cannot find our country, that means it's a novel.
Yeah.
But what about the keywords? When I search about the, then I got my keywords in 3 or 4, but not in Malaysia, for example. That means a novel or what?
Okay. When we insert our keywords, we didn't mention about the country. So Scopus, they will go to find all the papers against the country. They will not mention about the country. Insert the country, they will try to find the papers in this country. So actually, we play with the keyword, the main things. That's why I highlight for you before this bibliometric. The key is just keyword. So when you have to choose your keywords. So when the panel will come to ask you, and that I have used these keywords, if there's mistake in the
The sound disappear.
It's okay now? Yeah.
Yes.
So be careful with the keyword. Be careful about the choose the keyword in the title and objective and then in the Scopus. Okay?
Thank you, Dr. Adel.
Okay.
For us.
Sorry?
Jazakallah khair.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Jazakallah. So any more questions? Dr. Naif, do you want to highlight to them how they are going to receive their certificate?
We didn't know how to receive the certificate because from the beginning I didn't receive any certificate.
No.
Okay.
Yes, Dr.
For
Naif,
the certificate, no need. For today, we didn't have any link. Just don't worry. If you already attended the event and you already register your name, first name and last name, we will send you or we will share with all the certificate letter. Not by today. We need to
verify
I think 3 days at least to check. Okay.
Okay. Thanks.
That's all.
Okay, thank you so much for your attendance. Around now 1.5 hours, I think so long sharing session. We can we have our next sharing session. It will be on the Friday, inshallah, and Saturday. Okay, Dr. Muhanna.
Thank you.
Thank you, Doctor. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, Doctor.
Okay. No more comments. Yes.
Inshallah, tomorrow we have session 9 o'clock.
Tomorrow, yeah.
Yes, tomorrow with Dr. Ruain.
From UK.
Cryptomyces, antibiotics.
Okay, thank you, Doctor.
See you tomorrow, inshallah.
Okay, see you.
Thank you. See you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. See you tomorrow.
Okay, see you. Bye.
See you.
So I have Dr. Naim, I have to end all, right?
Okay,
Yeah,
bye.
yeah, yeah. You can
Okay.
end all.
Okay, thank you.
Hey,
See
thank you so much.
Bye.
Okay, thank you, doctor.
Thank you. Welcome.
you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Assalamualaikum.
Salam.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Thank you.
Thank you.